Oh, hello. What's going on? Yeah, so I want to talk about this trade right here that I took yesterday on Bitcoin. As you can see, we're actually in 200, $300 profit, right? And the reason why I took this trade actually is because I had saw something. So first of all, I'm going to get rid of all this noise. Just get rid of all this noise. Okay, get rid of all that noise. So this is Bitcoin. Bitcoin being, this is the weekly, right? So on the weekly, we see that it's been uptrending. Okay, we just saw that. So since it's uptrending, price always creates a high. Right? Higher highs. Okay. So just by looking at this right here, we could already see that price is in this area. Let me move this. So we could already see that price is in this area right here. This demand zone. Right? But that's not so on the long term trade, this thing is getting ready to go up, okay? We can see that. So what we're going to see is the hell is that? I don't know. We might see something like here, 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 here. I don't know. So, uh, or it might just come down. Okay. But since we have these higher highs, my bias is bullish anyways. Okay. My bias is bullish. So the reason why, since I've been trading for a while, and I'm going to teach some of you guys, I just see this is already, I can catch a trade, a long position if it plays out right here. Or if it goes, but it will keep going. But that's not going to happen right now. That's just a scenario, right? We have to wait for that day to see when that's going to happen. But it's not going to happen right now. So the reason why I took that sell again is because if you look right here, I see an area of rejection. Okay. So price came over here one time and it rejected. If we go down to the 4 hour, we can see that price is bouncing off this area. Okay. It's bouncing off this area. And all of these candles right here that you are seeing, it's basically, it's rejecting. It's rejecting the top, right? Now, I made my entry. You kind of have to know where to make your entry. I entered right here, okay?